Hi y'all, happy new year guys. Welcome to Stars Glam Beauty. Guys, in today's video I am going to be making some Flaxseed gel. Me and my baby ran out of it and I've been so lazy. I've not been making it, and I thought about it, I'm like, I have never brought this on YouTube before, how I make my Flaxseed gel. So if you are interested and want to learn how I make my Flaxseed gel, then please keep watching. Okay, I'm going to be using the brown flaxseed. In this video, I'm going to be using 3 products here today. One is my flaxseed. The next one is my tap water. And last but not least, my peppermint essential oil. Flaxseed has many benefits for the hair. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and it strengthens the hair follicles. And there are more benefits. I'm just naming a few. You will reap so much from flaxseed being in your hair routine and all. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of the brown flaxseed. I know it's a lot, but I'm gonna add a lot of water in here because we ran out and we use this almost every day. Okay, that much. Let's mix it up. Our flaxseed is ready for screening, so I'm just going to take it off the burner. I'm going to be screening it. I'm gonna be adding the peppermint essential oil, 10 to 20 drops, that much, and I'm gonna be mixing it well, okay? Oh, I can feel it already, like the aroma is giving. Oops. Like I said, it's easy. It's just 2-3 steps and you are done. I'm just trying to mix the oil and this gel together a little bit more, even though it's gonna separate, the oil gonna separate, but like every time you try to use it, just shake it up very well and all of that. So let me mix it for the very last time. And we're going to be using our pretty jar as usual. Oh guys, the mint. But anyway, I'm going to be using this cute jar. You guys already know this jar. And I'm going to be putting it here like so. I know it's a lot, but And y'all gonna be putting the lid like so. We are done, and this is the final product. I love this gel. I swear by this gel, guys. I use this gel to also lay my edges, to pop my curves, and to so much more. So guys, feel free to recreate this if you are interested. I'm gonna leave the recipe down in the description and all of that good stuff. You're gonna save yourself shit ton of money, okay, by making your own gel. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll talk to you next. Bye bye.